and we're talking about your story really matters. We all have a story to tell. What is your story, and are you telling your story? And the theme is you are the creator of your story. You are the character, the crusader, and the champion of your story.
The big thing is a story you tell yourself about yourself. Folk shape your identity, your decision, your confidence, your ultimately your future.
Yes.
Right? How you think about yourself and how you talk about yourself. Your own story.
Yeah. And how are you talking? How are you talking to yourself? How are you talking about yourself? Very important. You are not just living your story, you are writing it every single day. And what are you writing down today? And when this session is going to be all about your personal responsibility, you can have ownership around this because you own your story. Culture, you can decide the culture that you want to bring into your story. And remember, our mindset is foundational because beliefs drive actions and actions create results.
Ultimately, your story that you tell yourself is about mindset. If you have a mindset that's negative, you'll tell a negative story about yourself, and that will be reflected in your life.
Yes. All right, there's 4 roles that we're going to play. And the very first role is the creator. You are that creator of your story. The creator, first of all, takes ownership and they ask, what can I do? What's possible? And how do I respond? Creators understand circumstances will influence me, but they do not define me. This is the healthiest and most empowered role.
Yeah, we are not your circumstance, and you cannot dictate your circumstance. You cannot control that.
Yes.
But what we can control is your feeling and your thinking about your circumstances.
Yeah. So what will you create today? What story will you create today?
This something tells you this is a difficult market and nobody wants to sell their properties. How do you react?
Yes.
You can't do anything about what the people say or about the market. But you have to decide what your story is going to be. Your story must be, but people do sell always. 5 B's are there. I'm not going to be subtracted by the negative talk of other people or the market equals opportunity.
Yes, I love that. You want to take us into the second role, the character, Victor?
Now, the character is the one that simply participates in the story, meaning that he's, if you think about the character, life happens to them, and they drift instead of design, they react more than they lead. It's like a dead fish flowing down the stream. We're talking about the river on Friday.
Yeah, and this will be fear-based. This is the fear-based mindset or the character. The character is all about anxiety, fear-based, just floating.
Fish that's alive, creature that's dead, the stream just like him down.
Yeah.
And don't be that. The next one's a crusader.
All right, the crusader fights for meaning and mission. They attach their story to something bigger than themselves. They're helping clients, they're building wealth, changing family legacy, serving others, and this creates that purpose-driven action. This is somebody with direction. This is somebody who is the CEO of their business. This is somebody who has a business plan. This is somebody who knows exactly what to do every day. They have a plan. There's no wondering about what's going to happen.
Life doesn't happen to them, they create life.
Ah, there we go. Yes, yes. All right, the champion, Peter.
The champion, I think it's the same with the creator. The champion go through adversity, that's right, but they preserve through diversity. They ask, how can I get back up? They ask, how can I stay committed? And how can I grow through the pressure that there is around me? And that's a big thing to have a growth mindset as well.
Yes.
That's exactly what this is. They understand that setbacks are part of mastery. Forward.
So more failures than failure is the path to success.
Yeah,
There's a lot of failure.
Resilience mindset that Chip talk about. Something to sit down and just come up. You don't stay down.
And it's 10,000 hours of that. That's what mastery is.
No, always. Everything that tries to get us down, gets us right.
Well, let's talk about the victim versus the hero versus creator, the victim mindset, and the victims believe the following.
So we are going to have either a victim mindset or a victor mindset. And that must be a decision every day when you wake up. Am I going to be a victim or a victim?
Okay, so let's see who this victim is. What do they believe? Life is unfair. Others are responsible and they have no power. They are actually giving away their power to the circumstances.
The market is slow, the market is difficult, so I can't do anything.
Yeah, so they're giving it away. Giving it away. I can't. Nobody supports me. I always fail. Yeah, there we go. We bring failure in again.
The market is a problem, not me.
Yes. And the focus is blame and helplessness. Remember, what you focus on will expand. And the more you're going to focus on these, it is going to expand. Okay, Peter, let's hear what the hero mindset will look like.
Hero mindset overcomes obstacles and they prove themselves because they are consistent in their normal duties and they keep on regardless of the markets that all negative talk from others. Now, this is stronger than victimhood, but I can still create pressure. When there's pressure, when someone thinks themselves as a hero, he can fall down. Of course, he thinks that people always yes.
Yeah, and the focus will be the proving. I need to prove that I am a hero. All right, the creator mindset. Creators build intentionally. And they focus on the following: solutions, systems, growth, responsibility, and possibility. And they ask the following: given reality, what could I create from here? Ownership and design. I'm going to own this. I'm going to design my story. And this mindset aligns with the entrepreneurial philosophy throughout the Millionaire Real Estate Agent, that amazing red book, building a business and life intentionally rather than operating by default. Most of the other mindsets are operating by default. Let's challenge the meaning.
This is MRDI that own the mornings and the days. But I want to say own your story.
Ooh, that's nice.
Own your story and rewrite your story. Then you have success.
You can rewrite or you can write, not rewrite. You can write the next 5 minutes of your story right now.
The next one is rewrite your story that you've been telling yourself. What is the story that you told yourself in the past? How do you think about yourself? How do you think about your business or success? What you're capable of, what you can do and you can't do.
Limiting beliefs. Do you have a lot of limiting beliefs? And we need to identify them and replace them with the empowering truth. I am capable. I can do this. The old story will sound like this: I'm not good at lead generation. The new one will be: lead generation is a skill I'm learning through consistent tests. Just say, I'm still practicing my leading. That's all right.
The big thing is not having a task before you, but ask, who are you? What's your identity? And if your identity is, I am a winner, I am someone that do business, I am a creator, then you will make much easier to do your task. If you think otherwise, that I'm a failure, I can't do it, and you will never do it. It's all about your identity. What do you think about yourself? Who are you? And who are you, your future self? Because that's what we work.
Yes, 100%. Yeah, and when you rewrite it, the old story will say, Peter has been talking a lot about it, the market is too hard. Rewrite it to say, shifting markets reward disciplined professionals. So become that disciplined professional. You can rewrite your story into that. And the story you tell yourself becomes your reality. Repeated thoughts becomes beliefs. Beliefs drive actions. Actions create outcomes. And your internal narrative determines the following. You've got confidence, courage. You need to be courageous. Consistency. Once again, consistency. And standard. If you change the story, you change the direction of your life. So beautiful. Change the direction, you change the story of your life. And you can do it in the next 30 seconds, next minute. Make a decision. That is why mindset is full of motivational fluffies. It is foundational leadership work to establish this, to create that story that you want, that new story, that beautiful story. Remember how we said, if you want to think like a butterfly, you have to stop thinking